Polygon Labs, based in New York City, is founded on the principles of data, design, and interactive storytelling. The Polygon Labs team have been making the complex appear intuitive for over a decade, with visualizations and process automation for the broadcast and media industry. The team has created a premier solutions for on-premises operations and cloud-based services to enable complex geospatial storytelling intuitively and engaging content for audience participation. Bringing extensive experience with elections data and financial analysis, Polygon Labs evolved this capability to provide visualization of time, analytics, and geospatial orientation to the aerospace and defense industry. Fusing this unique broadcast knowledge with modeling and simulation, operations analysis, and wargaming, the team created the Chronos product. The goal? Never lose your audience. Chronos enables users to create and collaborate on scenarios for analysis and present the results in the form of an interactive briefing. Supportable by any enterprise and compliant with DISA accreditation for classified deployment, it excels at complex scenarios that need to visualize assets geospatially and concurrently with events on a timeline. Scenarios use events and assets as their building blocks. These can be created inside Chronos using the Builder tool or imported from a data source. Events are enriched with media and metadata, allowing users to access more information about them. Assets on a map are tied to events on the timeline and can be represented with a one-to-many correlation. These assets can be tracked geospatially on the map through time and space. Scenarios are easy to build, collaborate with colleagues, and aggregate or import from various data sources. Chronos empowers the presenter to brief a storyline comprised of various sources at a high level and drill down to the finest detail. Thousands of geolocated assets, geopolitical events, and economic factors are intuitively represented geospatially and on the timeline view. The presenter can toggle perspectives for each one of the assets or a specific geographic region. Information on the map is described using an extensive 3D model library, NATO symbology, and many other types of iconography. Chronological stories with depth and granularity can utilize chapters to describe periods of time and scrub through events in a grouped chronological order. Chronos provides the ability to have a comprehensive analysis at your fingertips with live chart data. Whether assets are imported or created, scenarios have a wealth of data. This data is processed and presented automatically to expose insights for the presenter and audience. Along with the base insights, key events, categories, and their metadata can be hand-selected to generate custom charts. Chronos saves time. Empower, create, collaborate. Never lose your audience.